Morning. Okay, so there will be one more problem on the super. Okay. The problem is they are given some activities. Right, I write the activities here.
Yes, ma'am. Very good morning.
Okay, the first column is an activity, and they are given the optimistic time.
Okay.
So optimistic time will be written as noted as take the note activity. Most likely time. Pessimistic. Pessimistic time. This is the column expected time. The last column is activity variance. So given the activities like 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 1 to 4, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. So these are the activities they are given and also mentioned the optimistic time. So that is 2, 15, 4, 3, 2. And this is 3, 16, 6, 10, 8, 5. And this optimistic time is 4, 17, 9, 14, 12, 7. This is the only problem. Only they'll give us so these 4 columns. The first column will be activity, and second, third, fourth is a different time. The optimistic time, most likely time, and pessimistic time. So the optimistic time is A. So most likely time is it is M, and this will be B. Right? These are the timings. So first, this is a problem, right? And they ask you to find out the. So first thing is the network diagram. You need to find out the network diagram, and also the this. You need to find out the control path. So control path is nothing but the critical path. Critical path you need to find out and the network diagram. And later on you need to identify the events if the schedule time for the end event is equal to the earliest expected time of the last event to find the probability of the completion of the project. So completion of the project time ಯಾವಾಗ equal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I'll tell you that problem. Okay. And the next one is if the schedule time is 28 days. Schedule time 28 days ಆಗಿದೆ. So what is the probability of completion? So 28 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ 28 days. So within 28 days, how much of the percentage of the work will be completed? So we need to be so find out. Okay, this is about the problem. So expected time. So as we know that in case of the PERT problems, so they'll not give the directly the expected time because of the condition of the problems will be they are probabilistic in the nature, so that they cannot be identified the exact time, so that we can so find out the expected time by using the formula. You know that. So TE expected time TE will be equal to A plus 4M plus B divided by 6. Right, this is a formula to calculate the so this column. Okay, here the A value is 2, so that is a M value is 3, so that 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and the B value is 4 divided by 6. What is the value? 18 by 6, so that the value will be 3. To simplify that, 18 by 6 will get 3. Similarly, 15, 16, 17. So put the values 15, 16 into 4 plus 17 divided by 6. Tell me the answer. Similarly, 3 plus 6 into 4 plus 9 divided by 6. Next, 6 plus 10 into 4 plus 14 divided by 6. Okay, if you go on simplifying this, you will get the values. Okay. So this is how you need to be simplified. So the values already have the values. I'll just write down the things. Okay. The simplified, if you simplify this, you'll get 16. Okay. So this will be 6. So 10, 8, 5, 3. You know this, right? So just to substitute the values in this A, M, and B. So respect for the respective activities, then you will get the these values. Okay. Similarly, like 3 plus 4 into 5 plus 7 divided by 6. Okay. Then you'll get the simplified answer as 5. Okay. And this variance that is the sigma square will be equal to B minus A. So B minus A divided by 6 whole square. Okay, so how? So you need to be simplify this. So using this formula. So formula ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಏನು formula ಇದೆ? B minus A by 6 whole square. So the B value is here 4 and the A value is 2. 4 minus 2 divided by 6 whole square. So what you will get? 2 by 6 whole square, right? Sorry, 2 by 6. If you simplify this, you will get 1 by 3. So if you square this 1 by 3, you will get 1 by 9. Okay, similarly here also 17 minus 15 you will get 2 by 6. 2 by 6 simplify 1 by 3. 1 by 3 answer is 1 by 9. Okay, and coming to here, so 9 minus 3, so you will get 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 divided by 6 whole square, you will get 1. So 1 square is 1 only. Okay, similarly 14 minus 6, so you will get, so 14 minus 6 8. 8 by 6. 8 by 6 if you simplify this, so 8 by 6 simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, you will get around so 0 point something ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So if you fraction that, so that is square, you will get 1.77. Okay, 1.77 similar to here also. So 14 minus 6 also 8 here, so 12 minus 4 also 8. The same answer will be 1.77. Okay, next is here 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 will be 4. 4 by 6. 4 by 6 to simplify this. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 square is 4 by 9. Okay, again here it is. So 4 minus 2. Same thing. 4 minus 2. So you will get the same answer is 1 by 9. 4 minus 2 by 6 whole square. 4 minus 2 is 2 by 6. Simplify this 1 by 3. The 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9. So we get the all these values, right? So we got the table because the time consumption just in the same table I have they're all these things. But in examination, you take the different, that is a problems. Okay, so as per the problem, you take the separated table and so go on doing this. Okay, so this is a expected time. First the thing is, so we need to construct the network diagram according to so this values, right? So let me do this. So what the value is given? 0 to 1. So 1 to 3 is given. Okay, 1 to 2 is given. 1 to 4 is given. 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. The first thing is we need to so identify the, we need to construct the network diagram. Okay, so let me construct. So ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲಿ, so roughly we'll construct this. Okay, 0 to 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 0 to 1 is the first activity. This is 0 and this is 1, right? Okay, next 1 to 2, 1 to 3 is there, and 1 to 4 also. So that you can take, so 1 to 2, 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Okay. So next to 2 to 3. So there is a relation between 2 to 3. Okay, 2 to 3 is there. Right? Already 2 and 3 is there. So just we need to be, give a relation to that. So 2 to 3 is there. 3 to 4. Okay, 3 to 4 is there. So if in this condition you cannot, but you can construct. Okay, but directly the arrow mark should be straight like this. Should not be cross or it should not be curve or any. It should be straight. This is 4. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Okay. Then 4 to 5. This is the last activity. Right. This is the only network diagram we need to be construct. Okay. So we'll construct neatly. So we'll do this. 0 to 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Okay. So as per the given problem, this is a network diagram. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. It is a network diagram. So here in this case, the first thing is network diagram, so we completed. So second ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so control path. So we need to identify, right? So control path, if you want to identify the control path, okay. So here you can get this. So you can find out the expected time already given. So we have been find out, right? So according to the values of the optimistic time, pessimistic time, and the most likely time, so we have calculated this. So we need to substitute this 0 to 1 activity. So expected time is 3. 0 to 1 is, this is the value is 3. Okay. Similarly, so 1 to 2 is 1 to 2 is 6, 3 is 16, 1 to 4 is 10, 2 to 3 is 8, 3 to 4 is 5, and 4 to 5 is 3. Okay, so we have find out this no column. So we need to substitute this. So 1 to 2 is, this is 1 to 2 is 6. So 1 to 3 is 16, and 1 to 4 is 10, and 2 to 3. This 2 to 3 is 8, and 3 to 4 is 5, and 4 to 5 is 3. Okay, this is the so expected time, so we have calculated. So in the second, this is the second, right? So we need to still we need to find out. So in Kelidar question only, if the scheduled time for the end event, scheduled time idella. So whatever the scheduled time, so of the end event, this is an end event. The scheduled time for the end event is equal to the earliest expected time. So so expected time idella. So earliest expected time. EST, earliest expected time ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, so that is a so EST. So if it is equal to the last event ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so that LST ಮತ್ತು EST equal ಇದ್ರೆ, so find the probability of the completion of time ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವೆರಡು equal ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. The earliest starting time and the latest finish time ಕೇಳ್ತಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so this is what the given is the end event will be equal to the earliest expected time. So earliest expected time ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ event ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು equal ಇದೆ. So then we find out the so expected time figure, project completion time no find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So we know already. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, CPM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ. So similar to that we need to so find out the so EST and the LST ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, so find out ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. So that we need to be so put the boxes so below this. Right. This is how for each event at the end of each event. So we need to be calculate the EST and so LFT of the so each activities na calculate ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So first box will be EST and the next will be LFT, right? Earliest starting time and the latest finishing time. So we know that. So ಹೇಗೆ start ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, so always the EST of the first node at the node first node will be 0, right? 0. So this will be equal to 0 plus 3. Timing, so we know that we calculated 0 plus 3 will be 3. This will be 0, right? 0 plus 3 will be 3. Only one arrow mark is there, one arrow head. So going forward, remember going forward, so you need to consider the so maximum so value, right? So maximum value consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. And by adding the so previous EST plus time. So duration, activity duration calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, sum ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get the so this EST of the so next node. Similarly, coming to this, only one arrow. So 3 plus 6, it will be 9. So here, same, the 3 plus 16 is, right? 16 is really. See here, for this node, we are having a 2 edges. So 2 heads ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 path will be there. So for the 2 path you will get the 2 values. So one is 8, that is a 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, you will get 17. And one more is 3 plus 6. 3 plus 16, you will get 19. So which one we need to choose? ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನು choose ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? So maximum, going forward is maximum, right? Maximum consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
19.
At the node 3, so we'll get 19. And here, so again we are having 2 heads, right? So here it is a 10 is the, I'm sorry, this is a 10 duration. Here it is a EST of the node 1 is 3. 3 plus 10, you will get 13. And one more is here 19 is the 19 plus 5, you will get 24. We need to choose the maximum, right? So that you will get EST at the node of, at this node 24, you will get the 24. And coming to the last node, only one arrow head is there, so that 24 plus 3, you will get 27.
27.
So what they have given in the problem is, so the EST at the node end, the EST and the LST will be both are same ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So if it is so, so EST and LST ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆದರೆ, so what is the project expected duration ಅಂತ. So what is the project expected duration now? ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ expected duration?
Same ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
This is EST, right? This is earliest starting time and the latest finishing time. So maximum under kuda, so at this node, so what will be the time? So 27 days. In terms of days means 27 days is enough to complete all these activities are at this node. 27 is the project expected duration. 27 days. Okay, so but we need to complete this. So there is no need, but we need to complete. Going forward ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 27 ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so 27 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 27 minus 3 you will get 24. So only one tile is there, so that is 24 minus 5, again it will be 19. So again only single tile is there. 19 minus 8 you will get again, so 19 minus 8, right? So here it will be changes. 19 minus 8 you will get 11. So here we are having the 3 tiles. So one is 24 minus 10, you will get 14, one value. Here 19 minus 16, you will get 3. And coming to here, you will get, so that is a 11 minus, sorry, 9 minus 6. Okay, so this 19 minus 16, you will get 3. So 24 minus 10, you will get 14. So 9 minus 6, you will get 3. So minimum is 3. So going backward or in the reverse direction, we need to consider the minimum value. 3 is the minimum. So 3 minus 3, you will get 0. Okay. So now we completed all the EST and LFT for all the activities, right? So what they asked me to find out is project expected duration. The project expected duration for this activity is 27 days. So EST calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಹೌದಾ? So we know that how to calculate this. And in the problem itself, they have given that the EST and the LST of the last node. So network diagram ಇರುವಂಥ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಗೆ EST ಮತ್ತು LFT ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಫಿನಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮು ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So that if they have given like that, 27 ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, LFTಗೆ ಯೂಶಲಿ 27 ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ EST LFTಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನೋನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದಟ್ ದ EST ಅಂಡ್ LFT ಆಫ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ 27 is equal to 27 ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ LFTನ. ಸೊ LFT ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಫಿನಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಟ್ ದ ನೋಡ್ 5th ನೋಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 27th time, that is the unit of duration ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If the unit is in terms of days, then 27 days is a project expected duration. So critical path find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. critical path ಹೇಗೆ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So there are different ways were there, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಯಾವ ವೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 0 to 1, ಸೊ 1 to 2 ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ ಇದೆ. Similarly 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 is there. 0 to 1, 1 to 4, 4 to 5. So minimum ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ always you will never get maximum value. So you can anyway skip to this. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 3 activities. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 activities ಇದೆ. So easily you can say that this is the maximum value. Let me find out this 3. 0 to 1 is 3, 3 plus 6, 9. So 9, that is a 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 5, that is a 22. So 22 plus 3, 25. So it's not, it is not the value. So no, no, sorry. So here this is a maximum is there, no 16. So critical path will be this. Okay. Don't judge like this. Okay. So I'm sorry. So this is activities, even though we're having more activities, but the values are less. So here it is 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 7, that is a 8, 17, 17 plus 5, 22. This is 25. But we know that the maximum is, so project duration 27. Some other path will give you 27. So that is our critical path. So let me identify. 0 to 1 is 3. So 1 to 3 is 16. 16 plus 3, 19. So 19 plus 5. So 19 plus 5 will be 24. 24 plus 3 will be 27. So this is our critical path. So critical path is this. So ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. So critical path ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So that you need to identify the values. Values ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, critical path ನ ಸೊ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅಥವಾ they'll ask you that control path ಅಂತ. So why it is called as control? For example, confuse ಆಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. So they also ask you control path ಅಂತ. So why? Because this is the only path which is consuming more time. So maximum time ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ಇದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. So that we need to control these activities. If we don't have a control over these activities which may consume more than this, so 27 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಗೈನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 27, ವಿಚ್ ಮೇ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಟು 28, 29, 30 ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾತ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು, ಸೊ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಾತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದ, ಸೊ ಡಬಲ್ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, so which is an identification of the critical path. So 0 to 1. So this is 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. So this double arrow mark. So the double line under the arrow mark which indicates that this is the critical path. ಅದೇನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು critical path ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? This is a path which is consuming more time, only 28 to 27 days. So that this is a critical path. Network diagram ಆಯಿತು, EST left calculate ಮಾಡಿ. So project expected duration is 27, and the same 27 value, the which path will give you, that path will be the critical path. So critical path identify ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So what the critical path is 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. And if they ask the critical activities, you need to so write down the activities like the events like 0, 1, 3, 4, and 5. So these are the nodes event. These are the critical events. Okay, this time. So next in ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ in the same problem. So they ask you to find out. So what is the, so third ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so we need to identify that. So there is ಏನು ಕೊಡೋದು, scheduled time ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The scheduled time is 28 days. So we need to calculate. So what is the percentage of work so will be complete, so at the 28 days. 28 days ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು percentage of work complete ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ we need to calculate. Okay, so we already know the values, right? We know the formula. So how to calculate this? We know this in the previous class we discussed. That is equal to TS minus TE divided by sigma. So what is the meaning of this TS and TE and sigma? TS ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is the value of it? What TS represents? scheduled time. Scheduled time is given in the problem. Expected time is everything calculated in the problem. So expected time, the expected completion of the project is 27 days. This is a TE, that is the expected time. And we need to calculate the percentage of the work will be completed for the 28 days. This is the scheduled time. Scheduled time will be 28 and the expected time is 27. 27 is the completion time, right? So expected completion time, it's not exactly. And sigma, so sigma calculated the variance. So sigma will be equal to the square root of the values of the, so these, so will be into the critical point of value, critical variance, add square root difference into the you will get the sigma value. Okay, so 3 to 4, 5. It's not 1 to 3. 1 to 3 plus 1 by 9. Okay, next to 3 to 4. 3 to 4 will be the value 4 by 9 ಇದೆ. And similarly, so 4 to 5 again ಇದೆ. So 1 by 9 ಇದೆ. So what you can do is, simplify this. It will simplify more. So sigma will be equal to value of 8 by 9, right? 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. 4 by 7 by 9 ಎಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 7 by 9 ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 0.82 ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೀಗೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0.88, the value 0.882. So z value will be, again you need to simplify, 0.8 minus 1 by 0.882. So what you will get,
1.1337.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
1.1337.
0.1337.
137.
Okay. So ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So now the z value is this. Z means you know that already. So in the last class I showed some. I want to show you. Download something. It's okay, I'll tell you like that. So previous class ಅಲ್ಲಿ recorded ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. So here in that, so probability table will be there, right? So probability table ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಳಿಸಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಹೋಗಿ ಝೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಝೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಝೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ 1.1. ಸೊ 1.1 ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಝೆಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಝೆಡ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ 1.1 ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 0.1 ಹೌದಾ, 1.1 ಅಂಡರ್, ಸೊ 0.03 ಕಾಲಮ್. 0.03 ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So what you'll get is, so 1.1 under the 0.03 column, you will get, so in the value under 0.8708 and there. Okay, so this is a value. Okay, so will be, so coverage, so that is the area under the, so this curve, so ಈ curve under ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು area cover ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ meaning ಅದು. So now, so the value, that value for the point 1.1337, so ignore this. Okay, so 1.1, so under the Z column, so under the, so this under the sub column 0.03, you will get this value. The meaning of this is, so 0.8708, so this is the percentage in terms of the value of the Z. For this value, you will get the percentage of the area. So percentage of the area covered under this Z value is, so 0.8708. Okay, so this is a value. If you convert this into percentage, so the value will be 87.08. So here in the problem, what it asks is, so calculate or find out the what is the percentage of the work will be completed. So at the end of 28 days. So at the end of the 28 days, the percentage of the work will be completed is 87.08. This is the amount of the work will be completed. So answer is 87.08. So the meaning you need to understand this. In the problems of what we expected is 27 days ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್, but according to the, so this curve or according to the, so the distribution of the area of the completion of the work, so even the 28 days ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, so only 87.08 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ percentage complete ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ from this what you need to understand this is, it is exactly not deterministic. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕೆನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಡೇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರಾಬಬಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಟೇಕ್ 100 days, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಟೇಕ್ 120 days, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೊಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ದೋ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಶೋರ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 120 days ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು 27 ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಈವನ್ ದೋ 28 days ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಓನ್ಲಿ 87% ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ 87.08% ಏನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ ದ 28 days ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಟು ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. 28 days ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇದೇನು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ Z is equal to 1.1 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ಗೂ ಈ ತರ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ, 28 minus 27 ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರು ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನು, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಕಾರು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ work not completed, then what you have to do is, whatever the value you will get this, no, for the Z value, you need to subtract by using a, so this probability 1 minus 0.8, so that is a 0.7. So how much you will get? So this will be around 12 point something, 0.12 something 9 something ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 0.129 ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ 12.92% ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 28 days ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು, 100 minus this. ಇವನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ 87%. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ 100% ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್, ಸೊ 12.98 or 96% ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರ, ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಕರ್ವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಬಂದಿರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು 100 ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಸೊ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್, ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ, ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 28 ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, 35 ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಈವನ್ 26 ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. 26 ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 26 minus 27 ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ Z ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ -0.1 -0.2 ಅಂತ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು you need to find out the respective area under that particular Z value. ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅದು, ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸೊ ಐ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಏನಾದರೂ?
No, ma'am.
Values they'll give, you need to identify the total is expected time, sigma values square calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ. You know the formula for both the things. This is b minus a divided by 6 whole square. This is a plus 4m plus b divided by 6. ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ನ you can calculate, and using this activities you can find out the this network calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ expected time ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. These values, the expected time which will be represented to these activities. This is the case. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇವ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ EST ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ EST ಅಂಡ್ LFT ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಬರೀ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮು ಟೈಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ EST ಅಂಡ್ LFT ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ಗೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಾತ್, and apart from this, so they will ask you the what is the percentage of the work completed and not completed. ಇದರ ಎರಡು ತರನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. You know this formula, this is enough. So substitute the value you will get. Value table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ that is the percentage of the work will be completed. Not completed ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡೇ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು?
No, ma'am.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಪರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ CP ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರೋದು. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 12 to 14 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಕಲ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅರೌಂಡ್ 2 to 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಥೇರಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಥೇರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ is going to ask ಥೇರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅದೇ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್, EST ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, LFT ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಓದಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಆ ಕೀ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಾತ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಹೌ ಡು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಾತ್, ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಥಿಯರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಯು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.
Thank you.